In this quick tutorial, we'll recreate the Mastercard logo using the Live Paint tool in Adobe Illustrator. Start by finding the Mastercard logo on its official website. Copy and paste it into Illustrator and place it in the top left corner of your artboard. This will serve as your reference. Next, draw the first circle. Select the Ellipse Tool, L, and hold Shift while drawing to create a perfect circle. With the circle selected, press I to activate the Eyedropper Tool. Then click on the red circle in the original logo to sample its color. Next, duplicate the circle and apply second color copy and paste the circle, then drag it to the side, so the two circles overlap like the original logo. Using the Selection tool, V, select both circles, then press K to switch to the Live Paint Bucket tool. Hold Option, click the overlap area in the original logo to sample the middle color. Then click the overlapping section between your two circles to fill it with that color. Press Shift plus F to enter full screen preview mode and review your recreated Mastercard logo. Repeat this video by press 0 key. Learning happens step by step, and repetition is the key to mastering it. Press 0 to instantly replay this video and reinforce what you've just seen. If you're enrolled in the class, be sure to subscribe so you'll get access to new videos the moment they're uploaded, often before they're available in the learning system.